Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Tiffany, and today we'll be making chicken soup with garden vegetables. Prepare your chicken by removing the skin, but leave the bones in. In a large pot, sauté garlic and ginger in oil until fragrant but no color. Add in chicken. Fill cold water in pot until chicken is almost submerged. Top off with chicken broth. Bring to a boil and skim off any scum that rises to the top. Reduce to a simmer. Let chicken simmer until tender and broth is flavorful, approximately 30 minutes. Remove chicken and bones from pot and add in carrots, celery, onions, long beans, corn, mizuna, and thyme sprigs. While the vegetables are simmering, remove meat from bones and shred into thin, long strips. Then, add chicken back into pot. Simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Then season with salt and pepper. Serve with rice or your favorite starch. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.